Have you ever felt that no matter how much ever you do, it's never enough? You care, you nurture, you love, you sacrifice, you work, you do everything. But still, world still expects more from you. Today's woman is not just expected to be a superwoman, but she is expected to be everything. A caring mother, a loving wife, a responsible daughter-in-law, a super employee, perfect figure, calm mind, financially independent woman, and whatnot. And in this fight of becoming a superwoman, many women are slowly losing themselves. Hi, I'm Dr. Aparna, holistic health coach and hormone harmonizer. And today we are going to talk about a topic which is deeply personal, deeply emotional, and painfully common. Modern women's dilemma. Why I'm still exhausted when I'm doing everything right? This is not laziness. This is not weakness. This is emotional overload, hormonal overload, mental overload. Today, I want every woman who is listening to this video to understand one fact. The entire world's responsibility is not on your shoulders. You are not responsible to carry the weight of entire world. You were not born for it. Today's women already wake up in anxiety. What should I cook for today? I need to give more time to my child. What should I reply to that message? I need to lose weight. I need to keep my anger a little bit low. I need to curb my cravings. I need to start exercise. I should earn more. And these thoughts start racing in your mind since the beginning of the day. It never stops. And you know what? Social media has made it worse. You are not only comparing yourself with others, but you are comparing your life with the edited version of other women's life. Some women are traveling to other countries. Some women are looking good. Some women are losing weight. Some women are building their businesses. Some women are becoming rich. Some women are becoming more strong. Some women are launching their own brands. Some women are being happy with their family and whatnot. And slowly, women start believing that if I'm not doing all these things, then maybe I'm failing in my life. But I want you to know and listen carefully. Women are not failing because they are not doing anything. But women are tired of unrealistic expectations for a long time. You know what? The saddest part I hear from many women, I do not know how to rest anymore. Because you are always being praised for over-functioning. You're so strong, you never give up. You carry everything fine. You have a fighter spirit. But nobody asks her at what cost you are doing this. Even though you don't keep a check on your body, but your body keeps a score of everything. That constant pressure of doing everything perfect, of holding everything in position, of being strong always. Somewhere it takes a toll on your body. And how it shows? In form of hormonal imbalances. Gut issues, hair fall, thyroid, PCOS, endometriosis, fibroids, dry skin, burnout, and so on. Many women today are high functioning but not living. They are available for everyone except themselves. They are smiling from outside, but inside they are feeling empty. And you know what is the saddest part? Women feel guilty for resting. They feel guilty for saying no, for taking their own space, for standing up for themselves. Why? Because they have been raised since childhood with a thought that your value depends upon how much you sacrifice for others. The healing begins when you realize that rest is not a luxury, but it is a need. You need not feel guilty for resting. You need not feel guilty for showing up or standing up for yourself, for saying no, for taking up your own space. You don't need to earn rest. Rest is not a reward. It's a biological need. Maybe the goal was never to be a superwoman, but the goal was to be a healthy woman, more peaceful, more connected to yourself, with yourself, for yourself. True feminine power is not in doing more, but in doing for yourself, honoring your emotions, healing your body, resting without guilt, feeling more connected with yourself, creating healthy boundaries. A healed woman is not a woman who can do everything alone, but a healed woman is the one who knows and who accepts that I deserve a support too, who does not hesitate to ask for support. In today's world, many women are performing, high functioning, but their nervous system has forgotten how to feel safe. Healing does not start with another diet or another exercise regimen or a productivity routine. No. True healing starts when women start feeling safe again. They start relaxed again and being with themselves again. To every woman listening today, you are allowed to pause and breathe. You are allowed to be ambitious, but without destroying your own body. You are allowed to be there for others, but without being disconnected with self. You are allowed to cry, pause, ask for help. You don't have to be a machine to prove yourself. You were not supposed to be a superwoman, but you were supposed to be a human. If this resonated with you or touched your heart, if you are someone who is going through this phase, or if you know someone who is going through this, let them understand that healing begins when you feel safe and with yourself, not with being a superwoman. Healing begins when you stop fighting yourself and start living. Take care.